Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. The respondent was convicted by the Supreme Court of Mauritius under section 30 within bracket 1 within bracket f within bracket 2 small I 47 within bracket 2 and 5 within bracket 2 of the Dangerous Drugs Act for possession of 152.8 grams of heroin and was sentenced to imprisonment for 26 years. Stop. He was transferred to India as per the Repatriations of Prisoners Act 2003 bracket start herein after the 2003 Act bracket close on 4/3/2016 stop. He preferred a representation under section 13 within bracket 6 of the 2003 Act and requested for scaling down the sentence to 10 years as per section 21 within bracket V of the Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1994 bracket start herein after NDPS Act bracket close stop. In the same representation, he also requested that the sentence that he has already undergone in Mauritius may be taken into account for revision of his release date stop. By an order dated 3/12/2018, the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, informed the respondent that the period spent by him in remand will be deducted from the sentence of 26 years stop. However, another order was passed on the same day rejecting his request for reduction of sentence to 10 years from 26 years stop. The said order rejecting the representation for reduction in sentence was challenged by the respondent in a writ petition before the High Court of Bombay, which was allowed by the judgment dated 2/5/2019 stop. Aggrieved thereby, this appeal is preferred stop. Detention of foreign prisoners was a matter of concern for the Government of India as well as foreign governments, for which the Repatriation of Prisoners Act 2003 was enacted in conjunction with bilateral treaties enabling the central government to transfer foreign convicted persons to their country and vice versa stop. One of the objectives of the 2003 Act was the transfer of foreign convicted nationals to their respective nations in order to take care of the human aspects in as much as the said convicts would be near their families and have better chances of social rehabilitation stop stanza. One of the salient features of the legislation is that the enforcement of the sentence shall be governed by the law of the receiving state stop. However, the receiving state shall be bound by the legal nature and duration of the sentence as determined by the transferring state stop. Section 12 and 13 of the 2003 Act, which are relevant for the adjudication of this case, are as follows stop. Transfer into India. The central government may accept the transfer of a prisoner who is a citizen of India from a contracting state wherein he is undergoing any sentence of imprisonment subject to such terms and conditions as may be agreed to between India and the state stop. If the central government accepts the request for a transfer under subsection within bracket 1, then notwithstanding anything contained in any other law for the time being in force, it may issue a warrant to detain the prisoner in prison in accordance with the provisions of section 13 in such form as may be prescribed stop. Determination of prison and issue of warrant for receiving transfer in India stop. The central government shall in consultation with a state government stop stanza.